Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. We are doing a Mother's Day tablescape today. Is it not beautiful? It's just for me and my daughter after working so hard on our Alice in Wonderland video we put up yesterday. So now it's time to sit back and relax for Mother's Day. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty nice. Also, I am sharing a few of my Mackenzie Childs pieces that I have been collecting for the last few months. These beautiful little containers, they're really herb pots, but I have turned them into dessert containers. Do they not look beautiful? And look at this, all these cute little bees and pieces of honeycomb on top. Yum, yum. And of course, the black and white straws go perfect with the Mackenzie Child theme. Let me know what you think. And then of course, we have our beautiful Mackenzie Child napkin rings. Also, I thought they worked in beautifully with what I have. The beautiful Harlequin Romance table runner running down the center of the table is not a Mackenzie Child piece, but it is a beautiful piece and it goes beautifully with what I have. And I know all of you that follow my channel all the time are going to be happy to hear Grandma finally found her candles. Can you believe it? I know, they were missing for like 3 or 4 months. Just in time to do this centerpiece. I thought it turned out really pretty. I have my teapot elevated, my wonderful oatmeal raisin cookies down below, and I found, well, I didn't find, my daughter-in-law gave me these candle holders, I guess a couple of years ago. I've had them a while, but I've just never used them in anything that I have done. But it was time to bring out the really good stuff. What do you think? I thought they were very, very pretty. And it was time to bring out all the beautiful things that I own and have. These cups sort of go with the teapot, I thought, so I brought them out. I put some fans at each table in case it gets a little warm in my kitchen, and we can keep ourselves cool while we discuss what we want to do this coming year on my channel and what new DIY projects my daughter might come up with. And of course, here's all my fake food that I'm collecting to make it easier and quicker and less expensive to put up beautiful tablescapes and teas without spending so much money. Are they not beautiful? As you can see, I'm still collecting. Grandma is a great collector of beautiful items, and you would never know, even close up, that these are not real. And of course, Grandma always wants to put a little whimsy in her tablescapes, so she has her little fairy. I'm using a lot of lavender and purple, and she's dressed in her purple or lavender dress. So I thought she'd be perfect. These beautiful floral dinner plates are gorgeous. And of course, the salad plate is beautiful too. And then the white dinner plate, as you can see, has those little bumps, just like the cups and the teapot. These were so beautiful, and I have used them before. Believe it or not, there is nothing on this display that I haven't used in a past post. So we might call this a free post, because Grandma likes that word free. And I reuse everything I have multiple times. And you're going to see my Mackenzie Childs tablescape every single month on my channel. I will be picking up a few new items every month to add to my collection. But I thought this looked very pretty for a Mother's Day tablescape for two. Let me know what you think. Did you think I did a good job, or if I should have done something a little different? I probably should have made a different centerpiece flower arrangement, but I didn't have enough time, and this one is still beautiful. I have it in my living room right now, and so I just stole it from one area to put in here to share with you guys. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out pretty good. And of course, these are my pride and joys, my salt and pepper shakers from Mackenzie Child collection. They are beautiful, and that little red topper really adds a lot. And the great thing about Mackenzie Child, it always puts a little whimsy in anything you do, and it always adds a little more class. And you're going to be seeing these beautiful black and white napkin rings a lot in the future too, because they're another one of my favorite. And they go so beautifully with the salt and pepper shakers. And I love these herb pots. Probably will be seeing them a lot in the future. And the great thing about Mackenzie Child, she adds little touches of color. I don't know if you can notice, there's a little bit of blue and a little bit of yellow along with everything else. So we can mix and match with a lot of different things, because there's a lot of yellow in the dessert, and there's a lot of yellow in the salad plate, and a touch of yellow in the dinner plate. But I thought everything worked together so well. Hugs and kisses to all of my awesome friends. If you want, stay in touch and click on that like button and leave me a comment if you like this video. We are going to be showing a little bit of slideshow afterwards if you'd like to go see the pictures. Love you all. Thank you for stopping by.